Good afternoon, everyone. Jason here. Today is July 11th, and this is your aftermarket update. All right, so we had a really nice day here at the Oil Trading Group. We had quite a busy day here. In fact, we had one 90-tick CL trade that could have been much, much better. Had a couple of things broken in our direction. But as it was, we did have a one-lot 90-tick CL trade. We'll talk about that here in just a few moments. We did have a couple of small losing trades prior to that on the ES, and you'll see that on the price ladders when you go into watching this Trade of the Day video. So let's talk about what happened today on the CLs. First thing I want to do, this is the inventory number right here. This is when the inventory number came out. You had a big spike down and then an immediate and aggressive rally to the top side. One of the places where we were trying to look to get short today, in fact, we talked about this in the trade room, and we'll turn these levels on here, was right up here just underneath previous session low. In fact, we said if the market were to break 65, that we would be looking to get in short. The market breaks aggressively down through 65. We put in a short at 64. It comes up to within a couple of ticks, and then the market begins to sell off. So we missed our entry there just at 64, or it could have been a really super good trading day. What we actually ended up doing is we were looking to get short here at 73.32. This is an area that if you pull this back just a little bit, you can see that 32 area really was quite attractive to the market in the overnight session. We spent a lot of time in and around that zone once we came down into it. We actually tried to get short there once this morning, and we got stopped out at break even. And then we get in short here on this move down. We were looking here at 73.32. So what you're going to hear from me when we get into this video is you're going to hear me say that our target is all the way down at this extended level down here at 72.26. But because of the speed of the market, we were actually looking to hold on for a move down to 72 even. And you can see that the market obviously came all the way down into that area. I get trail stopped out. Back up here at 90 ticks, so 42, the market rallies back up, comes down into this zone, comes back up to 42, ultimately comes back up to 55 before it turns around and goes back the other direction. So again, really handsome day here at the Oil Trading Group. If you were have been following along for any length of time, you know that we don't win every day. But what we do is we look to hang on for asymmetrical returns. Today, it was a 14-tick stop and ultimately a 90-tick target for a 6.5 to 1 risk-reward ratio. So what I'm going to do now, that trade, by the way, our trade lasted a little over an hour today. So what I'm going to do with this trade is I'm going to show you where we get in. I'll let you listen to it exactly as it happened in the trade room here today. Then we'll cut it down, speed it up, put a little music behind it, and we'll cut this thing down so you can at least get a flavor for how this trade went today. So again, very aggressive day here on the oil market. We may have been able to pull out a few more ticks had things broken our way, but sometimes they don't. But again, a 90-tick one-lot trade is a very good trade, and we'll take that as many days as the market will give it to us. So without further ado, here is that OTG trade of the day. All right, short again right here on the ES, 30 CL, 32.33 right here. Stop 46. Target right now, the target is 28 underneath you.